Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the PS4 controller on PS5 games. It's important to understand that the PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller is not compatible with native PlayStation 5 games. You can only use your DualShock 4 to play backward-compatible PlayStation 4 titles on your PlayStation 5 console. For all PlayStation 5 exclusive games, the advanced DualSense controller is absolutely required for an optimal experience. The primary reason for this limitation is that PlayStation 5 games are built to fully utilize the innovative features of the DualSense controller. These include incredibly precise haptic feedback, which provides nuanced vibrations, and adaptive triggers that offer dynamic resistance. The DualShock 4 simply doesn't possess these specific hardware capabilities, meaning it cannot deliver the intended immersive experience for PlayStation 5 exclusive titles. While you can't use it for PlayStation 5 games, your DualShock 4 is perfect for playing PlayStation 4 titles on your PlayStation 5. Simply connect your DualShock 4 controller to your PlayStation 5 console, either via a USB cable or by pairing it wirelessly through Bluetooth. Once connected, you can navigate to your game library and enjoy any of your backward-compatible PlayStation 4 games without any issues. Ultimately, the DualSense controller is essential for experiencing PlayStation 5 games as intended. Its haptic feedback provides incredibly detailed sensations, like the feel of rain or the crunch of gravel. The adaptive triggers offer dynamic resistance, making actions such as pulling a bowstring or pressing a car's accelerator feel incredibly realistic. This advanced technology truly elevates the immersion for all PlayStation 5 exclusive titles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.